Wire this position first. Wiring harness for Sunshade, and pass it through to a back. Run a tow line through. Pull it out from behind. Connect. Wrap it in tape. Pull over again. Harness through. Come through this position. Walk here. Bring the sunshade from behind. From a trunk to a front. Ducking harness. Don't walk a line first. Connect the plug of rear original car first to test whether the sunshade function is normal. Insert the buckle into the back. After inserting the back, then we install the front. There are 2 iron sheets inserted in the front. The left and right iron sheets are buckled with screws. The back is directly inserted. Tighten the screw. After the screws are screwed, paste with black tape. It looks more beautiful. Throw these harnesses back in. Stuffed into a gap. Finally, just to restore these rubber strips. Installed.